Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is off and the engine is cool. Always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts or accidental starts. You will need a basic set of hand tools, including various wrenches and sockets, and possibly a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Having a clean workspace and good lighting will make the job much easier and safer. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. First, locate the alternator, which is typically driven by the serpentine belt. Use a serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the unit. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets. Reinstall the mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Typically, about 30 to 40 foot-pounds of torque is sufficient. Reconnect all electrical wires, including the main power cable and any smaller sensor wires, making sure they are secure. Double-check all connections before proceeding to the next step. Almost done. Now, carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt around all pulleys, ensuring it's properly seated and has the correct tension. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts at idle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.